Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Echoamo C24 Ultra enters the market as a budget-friendly smartphone that aims to provide modern connectivity and essential features without the high price tag associated with flagship devices. This particular model is an unlocked 5G Android phone designed to offer a balance between utility and affordability. It operates on the Android 13 platform, which provides users with a contemporary software experience including updated security features and a refined user interface. The device is positioned for those who need a reliable secondary phone or a primary device that handles everyday tasks like web browsing, social media and communication. By offering a combination of a large battery and 5G capabilities, the C24 Ultra attempts to address the core needs of a mobile user in an increasingly connected world. It is a device that focuses on the fundamentals of the smartphone experience, providing a large screen and ample storage for the average user. When examining the build and design of the Echoamo C24 Ultra, the first thing that stands out is the 6.3-inch full high-definition display. This screen size is substantial enough for comfortable viewing of video content and reading text without making the device feel overly bulky in the hand. The choice of a purple finish gives the phone a distinct aesthetic that separates it from the more common black or silver options found in this price range. The construction is straightforward and functional, with a focus on durability for daily use. On the exterior, the phone includes a front-facing camera system that facilitates Face ID for biometric security, allowing users to unlock their device with a glance. The physical layout includes the standard array of buttons and ports, including a dual SIM tray, which is a significant feature for those who need to manage two different phone numbers or data plans simultaneously. The overall design language is modern, following the trend of slim bezels and a high screen-to-body ratio which maximizes the usable area of the display. Performance is a critical factor for any smartphone, and the Echoamo C24 Ultra is equipped with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. While 4GB of RAM is modest by high-end standards, it is sufficient for running standard applications and multitasking between a few open windows. The 128GB of storage is a generous amount for this category, providing plenty of room for photos, videos, and downloaded apps. This matters because it reduces the immediate need for external storage or cloud subscriptions. One of the standout technical specifications is the 6800 mAh battery. This capacity is considerably higher than what is found in many premium smartphones, and it translates to extended usage times between charges. For a user who is often away from a power outlet or who uses their phone heavily throughout the day, this large battery provides a level of reliability that is hard to find at this price point. The inclusion of 5G connectivity is also a major performance benefit, as it allows for faster download and upload speeds on compatible networks, which is becoming increasingly important as 4G networks become more congested. The performance of the C24 Ultra is further supported by the Android 13 operating system. This version of Android focuses on personalization and privacy, giving users more control over their data and how their phone looks. Because the device is unlocked, it offers a level of flexibility that many locked phones do not. It is compatible with major carriers including T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon. This carrier flexibility means that a user can switch providers without needing to purchase a new handset, which can lead to long-term savings. The inclusion of GPS and Face ID adds to the practical utility of the phone, ensuring that navigation is accurate and that the device remains secure while still being easy to access. These features work together to create a user experience that is focused on convenience and accessibility. This smartphone is best suited for a specific group of users who prioritize value and battery life over raw processing power or high-end camera optics. It is an excellent choice for students who need a reliable device for schoolwork and staying in touch with family, but who are working within a strict budget. The dual SIM capability makes it a strong candidate for international travelers who want to use a local SIM card while keeping their home SIM active for emergencies. It is also well suited for older adults who may appreciate the large clear screen and the straightforward interface of Android 13 without needing the complex features of a more expensive model. Furthermore, the Echoamo C24 Ultra serves as a practical option for workers who need a rugged secondary device for the job site where a long-lasting battery is more important than having the latest high-end processor. It appeals to anyone who wants the benefits of 5G speeds and a large display at a price point that is around $120. When considering the Echoamo C24 Ultra, it is important to look at the device through a balanced lens. On one hand, you are getting a massive battery and a modern 5G connection in an unlocked package which offers incredible versatility. The storage capacity is also quite competitive for the price range. On the other hand, the 4GB of RAM means that this is not a device intended for high-end gaming or intensive video editing. It is a tool designed for the essentials of modern life. The camera and screen quality are designed to be functional and clear rather than professional grade. At a price of approximately $120, the trade-offs are clearly defined. You are trading top-tier performance for exceptional battery life and broad network compatibility. The value proposition of the Echoamo C24 Ultra lies in its ability to provide a consistent and modern smartphone experience to those who might otherwise be priced out of the 5G market. By focusing on the battery and the display, the manufacturers have addressed two of the most visible aspects of smartphone usage. The purple color adds a touch of personality to a segment of the market that can often feel generic. Because it works with the big three carriers in the United States, it removes the guesswork for consumers who are unsure about compatibility. It is a straightforward device that does not claim to be something it is not. It is a budget-conscious 5G phone that prioritizes longevity and storage. In a market saturated with options, the Echoamo C24 Ultra finds its place by being an accessible entry point into the world of 5G and Android 13. It offers enough storage for several years of photos and enough battery life to get through even the longest days. While it may not have the brand recognition of larger manufacturers, it provides a set of specifications that are highly practical for the everyday user. The inclusion of Face ID and GPS ensures that the basic modern conveniences are present and accounted for. For the price of roughly $120, it represents a functional choice for someone who needs a dependable phone that covers all the bases. It is a reminder that you do not always need to spend $1,000 to get a device that keeps you connected and powered throughout the day. Ultimately, the Echoamo C24 Ultra is about providing options. It gives the user the option to choose their carrier, the option to store more media locally, and the option to go longer between charges. It is a balanced device that recognizes its role as a utility. Whether it is being used as a primary phone for a teenager or a backup device for a frequent traveler, it delivers on the core promises of a smartphone. The combination of a 6800 mAh battery and 5G connectivity at this price point is a notable achievement in the budget sector. It is a matter-of-fact solution for those who want to stay current with mobile technology while keeping their spending in check. The C24 Ultra stands as a testament to how far budget mobile technology has come, offering features that were once reserved for the highest-end models just a few years ago. It is a practical, dependable, and affordable way to access the modern mobile landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.